Angel here, welcome back. So I need to do my eyebrows and I'm going to be trying this Sheen wax warmer and these wax beads that my sister got off Amazon. It comes with a little kit, but the wax beads she says don't work that well, which is the blue wax inside here. I'm going to give it a try before I go to Sally's and replace it. I want to give it a chance first. So first I'm going to clean my face, my lip, and my eyebrows where I'm going to wax. I've never used beads, wax beads before, so this will be a first for me. I do want to see how it comes out. I usually just use the Gigi wax, regular wax. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work, how without the wax strips. You're supposed to just put it on a pretty good amount, pretty thick, and then just like rip it off, and it just takes all your hair off. That's what it's supposed to do without using wax strips, which sounds pretty cool. So I was like, I need my eyebrows done and my lip. I look like a wildebeest, so let's give this a try. So here we are. Moment of truth, y'all. Okay, so these wax beads my sister got off Amazon. They're just like a generic brand. She bought a bunch of them and she says they didn't work. So I'm giving them a try because I really need to get my face waxed. But yeah, they didn't take my hair off at all. It's all still there. She was right. They didn't work. Do not recommend the wax beads off Amazon. This warmer from Sheen worked banging. The beads, however, from Amazon, not so great. To Sally's we go. We're going to try and find the Gigi brand of wax beads and just a regular wax, all-purpose wax, to see if they have the beads. And they do. They did. They only had one left and it was just for me. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some sticks also, some eyebrow sticks, because my sister and her niece didn't have any of the tiny ones and I didn't want to use all the ones that they did have, of the bigger ones. So this is the brand that I normally use to wax my eyebrows, is Gigi. So I know that it wasn't going to disappoint me. So that's why I got Gigi for them at Sally's, and I knew they usually would have them. And we were in luck. So let's give this stuff a try. We're going to do it the same as the other one. And moment of truth, we're going to just rip it off and see what happens. So when you're putting this wax on, you do want to put like a thick amount, and it dries super fast. It hardens super fast. So you need to put a thick amount really fast and then kind of peel the edge. So if you want to do your mustache, you need to go down pretty far because you're going to peel just a little bit and it's going to take it off and you're not going to have a chance to rip it off of your mustache area. So whew. Now we're going to do my eyebrows. I have never used this wax bead stuff, so it hardens super fast. So you need to get it on there good, like quickly, before it hardens. So I just did one side and then I added the other side and just ripped it all off at once, and it worked amazing. I couldn't believe my eyes. I think I like the beads better than the actual wax with the strips because this was so easy. It was so clean, mess free. It didn't leave you sticky or anything like that. So I'm definitely liking these wax beads and might have to try and use these at home when I get home. And it took it right off. Clean. Gigi beads though. The Gigi beads were the business. So now I'm gonna go around and finish top to bottom of my eyebrows and in the middle, and I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. What? Alright, so this is me without the filter. Don't hate, okay? Don't be hating. So that's the side with the eyebrow hair on it still, and the other side is done, so you could see the difference kind of. And now I just got to do the middle and it's all done. And that's how easy it is to use wax beads. It just peels right off without any strips. Now you're just going to use the oil to get any little excess wax that's left on there, and then you're all done. I definitely recommend these wax beads from Gigi. The wax beads worked really well. Amazon's brand, not so great. So we meet again. This is Angel. Bye.